RDDT Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I have done 40,000 videos in the last 5 years, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And ultimately looking at Root or Root Incorporated, all I'm looking to do from here furthermore is buy. Like, I don't know about you, but unless I see the price pulling a tad bit lower than showing me some sort of a shift and a double break, randomly buying is just not going to be the key for me, at least, you know. And I'm just saying, you know, if there's no rules, then me randomly getting involved, it's not going to happen. I mean, I like where we are, technically bullish range and everything, but this small thing is all that matters. Again, timing is crucial. So if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month without indicators, then yeah, check the first link in the description, get my free emails. Going back to Root, I'm not trying to make it as more complicated than here, right? It's really all I'm particularly waiting for is like a 1 hour or 30-minute double break. That's it. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.